Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade Reese's peanut butter cups. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, half a cup of powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of softened butter. For the chocolate, grab 1.5 cups of milk chocolate chips and half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Don't forget your mini cupcake liners and a muffin tin. Now, let's create that irresistible peanut butter filling. In a medium bowl, combine your 1 cup of peanut butter, half a cup of powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of softened butter. Mix everything together until it forms a smooth, pliable dough. This mixture should be firm enough to hold its shape. Once combined, roll the peanut butter mixture into small, flat discs, roughly 1 inch in diameter, and set them aside. Next, it's time for the chocolate magic. Melt your 1.5 cups of milk chocolate chips and half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips together until smooth. Place your mini cupcake liners into a muffin tin. Spoon about 1 teaspoon of melted chocolate into the bottom of each liner. Carefully place one of your peanut butter discs on top, then cover it completely with another spoonful of melted chocolate. Almost there. Once all your cups are assembled, place the entire muffin tin into the refrigerator. Let them chill for at least 30 minutes or until the chocolate is completely firm. This step is crucial for them to hold their shape perfectly. Once set, carefully peel away the cupcake liners to reveal your beautiful, homemade peanut butter cups. Enjoy your delicious creation, a truly satisfying treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.